What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at general crypto market. We have a green day in the market. That's a very good sign to see. We'll take a look at Bitcoin. Guys, is the bottom in? Is this the end of the dump? Are we going to have a V-shaped recovery? We'll be talking about the bad news in the market. Guys, people are talking about how the bears want to keep Bitcoin below 30K. Ethereum is back above 2K. That's a very good sign to see. And guys, the stablecoin dominance is actually reducing. We're taking a look at the liquidation figures, and sentiment in the market is still in extreme fear. But guys, the bad news of all bad news, Luna finally got delisted on Binance and other exchanges. Luna has actually gone to zero. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, we currently have a green day in the crypto market. Coins are actually bouncing off the bottom. You can see GMT is up 67%. We have Mana up 42%. APECOIN is up 47%. Gala up 57%. Guys, is the bottom in? This is one of the signs of the bottom. When you see all these coins bouncing heavily, it means they are being oversold, or maybe too many people have sold them, or too many people panic sold them. Right now, they are reverting back to the mean. Bitcoin actually came to as low as 25,400. But guys, right now, at the point of recording of this video, one Bitcoin is currently trading for 30,000. Bitcoin actually got as high as 31,000. Can we stay above 30,000? Is the bottom in? Only time we tell. But guys, the sentiment in the market, people are still scared. A lot of people are still holding their stable coins. A lot of people are scared. They don't want to deploy. People are saying we're in the bear market, and yada. The party is over, guys. I still believe there's still one more pump. I'll be giving the reasons why I believe that. But guys, the bad news keep rolling in. In this article, we're talking about 3 reasons why bears aim to pin Bitcoin below 30K for this weekend. So the whole gist is that the bears actually have enough profit to make if they can keep Bitcoin below 30K past the 13th of May 2022. Can they do it? And the bulls were actually taken by surprise. A lot of bulls were liquidated in this crash. Over $1.2 billion worth of liquidation happened in this crash. That's very crazy. So now it's going to be really hard for the price to go up, or maybe the price will actually just go up because too many people have sold, or too many people panic sold. Ethereum is above $2,000. That's a very good sign. Ethereum actually held the low it set in July 2021. It didn't break it. Bitcoin actually broke below its own low it set in July 2021. So guys, Bitcoin has set a lower low. Bitcoin just confirmed that we're in the bear market for Bitcoin. Ethereum has still not confirmed we're in the bear market, so we might probably set a new all-time high on Ethereum. I actually don't believe we'll set a new all-time high for Ethereum and Bitcoin. I believe that we'll have one more retracement to the 702. We might pump to around 4,000 for Ethereum, to around 50-something thousand for Bitcoin, and then boom, the market is gonna crash. Because guys, the macro conditions are not favorable for crypto or stocks. Guys, you can see that stablecoin dominance is actually turning on itself. This is what we wanted to see. When stablecoin dominance actually turns on itself and start crashing, that's when you want to see the market pumping. All the time that the stablecoin dominance has turned on itself, that's the time we experience a little pump in the market. You can even see when the market went on a crazy run in July, May, June, July 2021, where the market was in the trenches. When the stablecoin dominance started falling, boom, the market started pumping. So this is a very good sign to see the stablecoin dominance falling already. But guys, remember, the stablecoin dominance is not going to fall in a straight line, just the same way it did not pump up in a straight line. The top 10 cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours, the crypto market is up over 1.5%. You can see that the market cap is around $1.3 trillion. One Bitcoin is above $30,000. One Ethereum is above $2,000. Some sense is coming back to the market. The top 10 has been rearranged. Terra is still at number 3. Terra is having a little issue with their pegging to the dollar. We are hearing about news of Terra being depegged. People are actually panicking. People are running to USDC coin, and now USDC is actually number 4 on coin market cap. On number 5 is BNB. Finally cream 300, go as low as 250. The whole crash was really brutal on the total crypto market. You can see that most of them are just recovering right now. XRP actually got to as low as 0.3. One XRP is going for 0.42 right now. ADA Cardano 0.5, BUSD is at number 8, Solana at number 9, and Dogecoin makes up the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours. And guys, Luna actually will get delisted. At the point of recording of this video, Luna has actually gotten delisted. We only have one period of Luna on Binance. Luna is turning into a shitcoin real quick before our eyes. This is a very sad story. Luna was worth over $40 billion. Right now, it's worth less than $100 million. A lot of people lost their life savings. So sad to see. But I mean, it is what it is. The market will move on. People will learn we'll learn our lessons from these mistakes. It could have literally happened to anybody. This could have been UST, this could have been any stable coin. Guys, the top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours as expected. Terra UST is still the top loser. It has lost over 72% in the last 24 hours, and this is a stable coin. So the stable coin is probably dead by now, because the coin that was supporting it is dead. The stable coin is probably dead by now. Covex Finance is down 15%, but most of the coins are actually pumping. It looks as if they have found their bottom. Maker, APECOIN, Gala, Quan, ZCASH, they are leading the charge for the green day, guys. Will this pump continue? Let's not over expect. And this is when the disbelief rally actually will happen, because too many people now are scared, so nobody trusts this pump. So if this pump continues, everybody will be like, and let's be careful, we don't want to rush into the markets and get wrong-footed again. But at the same time, guys, a lot of these altcoins went for very, very cheap prices. Maybe that's why we're bouncing really hard. They were ridiculously cheap compared to the sentiment in the market. Just last month, people thought we were actually going to go down in the straight line, just like Luna. But guys, we don't always go down in the straight line. Even though sentiment in the market is still at extreme fear, it will take a while for people to actually get confidence in the market again, because guys, anytime this kind of horrible crash happens, people will have a PTSD period where nobody wants to buy anything, everybody's scared, everybody's talking, everybody's so very, very bearish. Even though nothing has fundamentally changed in all the coins we were holding last month that we're still holding now. If you're holding a good project last month, there's a higher chance you're still holding a good project right now. So just time will tell. Just you have to tough it out, and sometimes this thing happens. Guys, we hope USDT will actually hold on, because if USDT doesn't hold up, guys, it may mean very, very bad news for the stable coins, because these stable coins are a bedrock of the crypto market. A lot of people, when they are feeling uncomfortable in the market, they run to stable coins, and all. Now we're hearing that the stable coins are not actually pegged to anything. We don't want to see regulators coming to this market. The whole point of crypto is I want to decentralize in it. Now that we're just fucking everything up, we're actually bringing more problems on ourselves. Guys, total crypto market cap actually found a bottom at $1 trillion. That means that's very, very bearish for it. Actually set a new low after it got to an all-time high of 3 trillion. So the range we're playing at is from $3 trillion to $1 trillion. Where I'm going to retrace through, guys, for my money, I think we might go back to like $2.5 trillion. Guys, for my own money, I think we'll go to like $2.5 trillion. That would be like a 702 retracement. Altcoins will be going to the moon. Is that possible? Guys, I still believe Altseason will happen at this point in time. I probably sound delusional. A lot of people are still wondering, why will you say Altseason will happen after the kind of crash we had? Guys, if it's easy for everybody to get rich, everybody would have gotten rich. But it's not everybody that can stomach 70% declines, 60% declines, and still continue holding or still continue investing. You all knew this about cryptocurrency, that is very volatile. That's why you can get a 10x return on initial investment, and that's the same reason why you can actually lose 70% overnight. That's just the fun of the game. Guys, Altseason might not happen anytime soon. We're currently in Bitcoin season. For Altseason to happen, we really need to see Bitcoin pumping. We need to see the altcoin following Bitcoin. And the fact that the market crashed this fast, I feel at some point in time we have to revert back to mean. We might not go to 50k, we might just go to like 40k, and maybe we'll down back, but at least we should see some pumps. And the altcoins are not going to go anywhere except Bitcoin actually start pumping. So as Bitcoin is pumping, that's a very, very good sign. Guys, the total crypto market excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's where our real concern is. The total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's where our real concern is. We're so happy total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum did not set a new low. That's a very, very good sign. We might still have a chance of setting a new all-time high on it. If not, if it's too bearish too, we might come back to $1 trillion and then crash. But right now, we didn't set a new low. We actually stopped at $392 billion. That's a very good sign. And guys, I have another question to ask you guys. Where do you think the market cap of Luna will go to? The capital will have to actually flow to other cryptos. I know it doesn't work that way, but if the total crypto market cap is going back to its previous all-time high, it will not account for Luna's market cap again. That capital will have to flow to other cryptos. Only time we tell whether Altseason will happen. At this point in time, I believe we have one more rally to the upside. Somebody can argue. You can argue that anytime the market wanted to really, really crash, we set a new all-time high on the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. All the times the market wanted to crash, we actually set a new all-time high. So now, are we just going to go to our previous all-time high or set a new all-time high? Only time we tell. Our previous all-time high on the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, is at $1.1 trillion. We want to see us set a new all-time high there. And guys, the crypto unicorn index is telling us that a lot of projects are losing their unicorn status by the second. At the point of recording this video, guys, we have only 61 crypto projects that actually have a market capitalization of over $1 billion. Have we found the bottom of the market? Is this the bottom of the market? Are we going to start pumping? Only time will tell. But guys, this figure was as high as 82, 89 just some few days back. But fear and panic set out in the crypto market. A lot of these coins dumped very hard. Only time will tell. Guys, the Bitcoin bulls are going crazy. Bitcoin longs is an all-time high. Somebody is really stacking a lot of longs in this market. Somebody's expecting a very, very huge rally. You can see that since the first time this chart got pegged, that was 21st August 2017, we have not had this much longs in the market. The last time I had so much long in the market was 2021 July, and after that, Bitcoin actually went to set a new all-time high. I'm not saying Bitcoin will set a new all-time high, guys, but you can see that these longs are actually going parabolic. It can't go up in a straight line. When it turns on itself, when it starts crashing, and the market might start pumping, you can see that this happened to in July 2021 when it started crashing. This is when the market started pumping. So we'll be waiting for these longs to actually start crashing on itself. When it starts crashing, then we might start seeing some pumps in the market. Right now, we have a green day. That's a very, very good sign. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys. You won't get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2.